Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers and that you have enough storage. This prevents failures later. Once done, back up your home layout and enable Nugget permissions for storage and background refresh so assets can install and run. Then install Nugget and sign in or create an account, making sure notifications and widget permissions are granted avoids interruptions. After installation, open Nugget and accept any runtime prompts so the app can place live wallpaper previews on your device. You now pick the live wallpaper you want from Nugget's library, filtering by performance or battery impact to match your device. Once you find a preview you like, tap it and tweak parameters such as motion speed, color palette, and motion intensity so it feels native to your phone. Make sure to choose whether it applies to the home screen, lock screen, or both, and then apply the wallpaper. After applying, observe animations for a minute to confirm smoothness and the desired visual effect. You finish by monitoring battery and CPU usage for about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure the live wallpaper behaves well. If you notice stutter or excessive drain, reduce animation complexity or choose a lighter preset. This balances visuals and performance. If the wallpaper won't apply or is blank, clear Nugget's cache, reinstall the app, or reboot your device and retry. Those steps resolve most permission or service hangups. Finally, remember to report persistent bugs in Nugget with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.